Do you want to watch LEDs come into life with a single push button? Let me show you how. This is Mechatronics, your mechatronics engineer, and in this video, I'm going to show you two objectives. First, to light up an LED using a push button. Second, to use an Arduino code to control LED lighting. Let's now provide all the ingredients. Push button, resistors, LED, connecting wires, breadboard, and Arduino Uno. Una, i-attach natin ang push button sa breadboard. Isunod ang resistor na connected sa ground at isang terminal ng push button. Ihanda at ilubog na natin ang LED sa breadboard. I-connecta ang negative na bahagi ng LED sa resistor patungo sa ground slot ng breadboard. I-connecta ang opposite side sa 5V port ng Arduino para sa power supply. I-connecta ang katapat na terminal ng ground sa positive terminal ng LED. Lagyan ng power supply connection ng breadboard mula sa Arduino Uno. At sa bahaging ito, i-share ko sa inyo ang explanation ng ating code. Nag-initialize ako ng 2 variables, LED pin at P button para sa Arduino digital pins 8 and 9. I also initialize button state with the default value of 0 to prevent program from using an initialized variable. This is the LED's behavior starting point before reading its actual value. Dito naman tayo sa void setup where we set up things that need to be initialized before the main program starts running. And in this statement, I use the pin mode function to configure LED pin to act as an output and P button to act as an input. And sa void loop naman natin, this is where the main code for Arduino program is located. Also, the code will be executing repeatedly here where we define the main behavior of the Arduino program. And this statement reads the current state or value ng push button. I-store niya yung current value doon sa button. And for our if statement, so if the button is pressed, the button state will be 1 or high. Otherwise, it will be 0 or low.